Morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we have had a little bit of winter hibernation, can't even talk, it's Friday, that's why. We have done a post this week, just to say hi, we're back. So we've been working on this 2021 Boxster 718 GTS. Python green. It's come all the way down from London, been with us all week, and we have fitted our aftermarket flush color-coded audible sensors that look really good. And also, because the system is a PCM4, we have fitted our aftermarket reversing camera, but with an interface that allows to be able to view on screen as soon as you put it into reverse gear. Right, so starting at the back of the vehicle, this car is quite striking. Not everyone's favourite or cup of tea with the Python green, but it's certainly going to be spotted on the roads. This is the 718 Boxster GTS. This is a nippy little car, and it looks good too. With this car from factory, there weren't any parking sensors. You can have factory front and rear parking sensors depending on if they've been spec'd or not. So what we've done is sent our sensors down to the body shop, and they have been matched. This car has already been PPF filmed, so it was a little bit tricky for the boys to get an absolute perfect finish on the sensors, but you'd only notice that up close, and it's not necessarily an issue for the bumper to be refilmed if necessary, because the sensor punch pulls through on the film and just pulls it tight. Now, either way, sensors are flush, color-coded, they look as factory as they can be rather than actually drilling a hole, and they're surface mounted. The cabling is then run to the front, and then behind one of the panels in the back is the buzzer, just so that when you're reversing up to something, you've got that audible buzz. Now, the reversing camera you can just see is absolutely central of the number plate or the overhang here. Depending on how far back you fit it, will determine what the camera can see, but either way it's going to make a massive difference to such a long vehicle like this and displays on the PCM4 display. So jump in the front with me and we'll show you what it looks like on the PCM4. Right, for those of you that don't own a Porsche, and I am one of those, really nice looking sleek interior on these things, and unusual to see a manual gearbox. So Richard here is very excited by that because a lot of cars are automatic, whereas he loves the manuals. This is the PCM4, slightly different to the 3.1, which is present in the majority of Porsches, and mainly on what we fit, especially the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, but this is the newer PCM4. You've got a real sort of flat touchscreen looking display, resolution is good, and it comes with a load of features that you can work through with your navigation, but more importantly things like Apple CarPlay and everything else. Now, all we've done for this car is reversing sensors, which won't display up on here, but we have done a reversing camera. Right, so we put the car into reverse like so, and then up on the display you get the lovely clean clear reversing camera image. Got a little bit of the bumper to give you a reference as well, and we're in the workshop so you can just see outside. You can see it's quite a nice wide lens considering it's a reversing camera. As soon as you take it out of reverse gear it disappears, but you still then got the parking sensors. Now you won't be able to pick it up on the microphone, but the parking sensors basically work from about a metre, and as soon as we then get up to around about 30 centimetres or a foot, they will then deadline, and you will then know that that is your danger point. So this is a Porsche Boxster 718 GTS. We have fitted our aftermarket flush color-coded parking sensors, professionally fitted might I add, and also the reversing camera in conjunction with the Porsche PCM4. This customer came to us specifically because he'd seen our reviews and our videos and he knew he was in safe hands. If you've got a vehicle like this and want the same done, then don't forget to get in touch with us. Website's in the bio, and thanks for watching.